Hi Boba, welcome to Eash Kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty pan-fried prawns with avocado salsa. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. Please subscribe me on YouTube and enjoy the cooking. Let's make the avocado salsa with onion, kochimiris instead of jalapeno. It's called Habanero and coriander, salt and vinegar. Let's make the lovely, spicy, salty, chili avocado salsa. Okay, let's marinate the prawns. Salt, white pepper, chili flakes, ginger powder, lemon, bit of olive oil. Let's marinate the prawns gently. Olive oil. Then let's add the prawns. Add some lemon slices in between the prawns. Thyme, the herbs. For the nice flavor. And cook for like till golden color for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Both sides. Nice pan fried prawns. Wow, amazing smell. Butter, garlic, pinch of salt. Let's check the prawns with avocado salsa. Wow, amazing, flavorful prawns with avocado salsa. You should try this at home. Cheers.